Well, hello everybody, it's Joe Somebody here. In this video I want to talk about the Z533 speaker system from Logitech. For some reason I've just been using the built-in speaker in my iMac for like ever. But since I got back into making videos here on YouTube, I arranged my desk in such a way that the iMac sits off center, and then I use a 24-inch external display in the center of my desk. So not only was the sound a little lackluster, but now it was off center and my OCD couldn't handle it. I started looking around at the current offerings on several websites, and I figured pretty much anything would be better than the off center and poor quality sound I was getting now. So I really didn't want to throw too much money at it. But as my brain often does, I completely abandoned my feelings about not overspending. Before I knew it, I was looking at professional quality monitor speakers by brands like Klipsch. I started trying to rationalize why I needed these $400 computer speakers. Nope. So once I settled down and kind of came back to my senses, I decided to check out what Best Buy had at the local store. I had to go there anyway to pick up a lens, actually the lens that I'm filming this with today. So I started looking around on Best Buy's website and set a budget of $100. On their site, I found the Logitech Z533 speaker system, and it seemed to have pretty good reviews and came in at just under the $100 budget. The Z533 is a 120 watt system that comes with 2 speakers and a subwoofer, and to me these speakers look sleek and they kind of remind me of the copper spun woofers that you see on the Klipsch systems. I think the speakers are appropriately sized for most computer desks and perfect for the near field setup that I have. Like most computer speakers, they connect with a typical 3.5mm headphone speaker jack plug thing. They also have a hardwired large volume knob with the bass slider on the side. I played around a little bit with the placement on my desk, plugged everything in, turned it on, went straight to my iTunes library to sample some music. I was actually very impressed. My studio here is actually just a small bedroom in my house, but the sound that these speakers could put out completely filled this room. And possibly over to the neighbor's house as well. I think the sound is very clean and impressive considering the size and the price of these speakers. The treble is very crisp.
The bass is very powerful.
And for my purposes, it doesn't seem to distort at all. Exactly what I wanted. Pros and cons of the Z533. Pro, less than $100. Simple connections. Unexpected and impressive sound quality.
Bass.
Okay, cons. The volume knob's kind of big and weird and permanently attached, so it's hard to route wires, and the little bass slider and stuff feels kind of cheap. I did all of that in one because it's really all about that knob. They cost a little bit more than your regular inexpensive $30 computer speakers, but you get what you pay for. Well, that is going to do it for my quick little review of the Logitech Z533 speaker system. This is not a sponsored video, and I'm very satisfied with my purchase, and these are my honest feelings. I'm sure they don't compare in quality to the real high-end $400 Klipsch systems that I was looking at, but they also don't compare in price. At only a fourth of the price, I think your average Joe, like me, will very much enjoy these speakers. Like the video, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, point at random things. I gotta go.